Hey, so last day in my Airbnb. I don't know if you remember in my last vlog, but I was telling you guys that basically I rented Airbnbs for like 3 weeks now, and now it's my last day on my last Airbnb, so I'm gonna move in my new place today. So I'm pretty excited, kind of sad because I had a lot of fun. I was in a vacation spirit, so I enjoyed my life as if I was in vacation. I rediscovered my own city, had so much fun in Montreal. I mean, it was just amazing. So right now I've packed all my stuff this morning. I was kind of cleaning a bit the Airbnb, and now I'm going to a vegan pastry, which is very close to my current Airbnb. And you know, it's like 200 meters from the place, so I'm gonna go there just to get a little breakfast right before going to my new place, which is downtown Montreal. So that's gonna be a lot of fun too. Here is the cool place. Hope this is open. I know that most of you guys don't speak French, but it's not open on Wednesday. I just want to die. I guess I'm gonna go to a regular place I'm gonna try to find a compromise. I'm gonna eat bread since I'm a vegan. That's the only thing I can eat. Bread with, I don't know, with dark chocolate. I am so disappointed. Do you have any vegan pastry? Anything that is vegan? No, you don't? Alright, okay, thank you. Have a nice day, bye-bye. Nothing vegan. So you know what, fuck it, I'm just going to the grocery store and I'm gonna get some cookie or whatever. I'm so mad. So I ended up buying oatmeal chocolate cookie at the grocery store. Good compromise, a bit cheaper, and I have a lot of them inside. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna show you the apartment that I've been living in for the past 2 weeks. So this is when you get in. So bienvenue Miguel, bon séjour, which means welcome Miguel, enjoy your stay. Here you have a little plan. Sorry, there are all my stuff everywhere because of course I'm moving out today. So as you can see, there are a lot of stuff. But there are these 2 windows, pretty nice. And then you have like this huge curtain for the night. So then you don't have any light coming in when the sun rises in the morning. So you have this nice sofa, and that actually is a bed. So basically the bed lies in here. And then when you open that at night, it creates a very nice, very comfortable bed, by the way. And what I really love about this apartment is that they really paid attention to the little details. And they gave like really nice little touch of design and decoration, which is pretty nice, you know. It's pretty enjoyable. It changed the whole mood. It feels very cocoon. I really like it. So there you go. It's pretty small, it's pretty tiny, but at the same time, it feels very nice. Of course, I brought my espresso machine. I don't know if you guys remember from my first vlog, but I told you guys that I was drinking coffee from a regular coffee machine, and I told you guys that I was missing my machine. So I ended up going to my friend's place, where my friend that keeps all of my stuff, and ended up getting my machine from there. And I had so much fun with it. A little fridge, and finally the bathroom. This is the bathroom. This is me. And what I really enjoyed is having washing machine and dryer, because again, student life, this is not something that I've been used to. That's it guys. I'm kind of sad, like not sad, but it's like I really had fun these past 2 weeks. It was interesting, but again, I've learned so much about myself, about who I am. You know what, let's make a breakfast. I'm gonna make a coffee and I'm gonna eat the oatmeal chocolate cookie, my compromise, and I'm gonna eat them, and let's have a breakfast together. I'm gonna prepare all of that. Discovered this coffee. It's from Montreal. It's named Café Brossard, and you know what, it was not that expensive because I'm trying to be a bit more careful with my budgets and my expenses. So I took this coffee. I think it was $7. Guys, it ended up being a very good espresso. It tastes really high quality. So I'm happy about that. I'm gonna enjoy the last piece of coffee because I just finished the pack. Okay, so we are ready. The coffee is ready. The cookies were already ready. Okay, here we go. I hate when he does that. It's so disgusting. Okay, let's do that. And so yeah, I was telling you guys, I really enjoyed my stay here in the way that okay. So basically, I rented these Airbnbs because I really wanted to be more focused and to be really dedicated on my project. And I think my goal was to have like a really great vision and to know exactly where I was going, what I would do. And I ended up changing my mind all the time. Like every 2 days, I would be like, no, this is the kind of video that I want to do. Oh no, you know what? I'm gonna try something else. And so I even tried on another channel to post videos because I was like, for sure, if I'm on a new channel, YouTube's gonna push my videos more. And I got completely crazy, but at the same time, I ended up realizing that this is a part of the process. And I think it's something that I really am struggling with, but to accept when you're new at something and that you're still trying, you're still experimenting, and you're not necessarily good at what you're doing. Not in the way that you're not good, you don't have potential, but in the way that it takes time before understanding what works. And I think the fact that now I'm working full-time on my project, that I have a lot of time, I think I was expecting myself to understand the whole thing so much faster and to understand myself and what I want to do and creatively what I want to create. You know, I thought I would have it all figured out in a couple of weeks. But the truth is that I'm still highly disturbed by everything that happened this past couple of months. I've lived a lot of big changes in my life, and it still has an impact on my mood, on my emotions. And I think I need to take things easy. And I really need to accept the fact that it's okay to change my mind. So now my new vibe on the channel and the new thing that I want to do is really experiment things as much as I can. The more you try, the more you understand yourself, the more you understand the word, and it will, at some point, it will always be coherent in the way that I am who I am. And no, as for example, I really love self-help. No, you look, I was trying to bring you guys to have a breakfast with me. I end up like making a big philosophy about life. Like, I mean, this is just who I am. I will always end up doing the things that I love because I cannot fake it. You know, and this is the thing that I'm really happy about in my life right now, is that at 26 years old, I reached a point where I can no longer fake things. You know, I can no longer, I faked so much in 2 years in companies, in corporations, when I was going to school, when I was going to college. All these things were just not who I am. And I faked so much. And now life and the universe is giving me the opportunity to be truly myself. And being truly myself is being up because I'm up. I change my mind all the time. I go crazy. Sometimes I want to go left. Sometimes I want to go right. But you know what, guys? This is who I am, and I'm gonna embrace that. And no matter what happens, I'm gonna try to accept myself the way I am. And this is the big step. Sorry, pretty good, actually, pretty good. Yeah. And this is the big thing that I've learned in this apartment, and this is why this place is tainted with all of the things that I've learned. And I'm gonna remember that time as a transition, and everything is transition. Everything is it's learning about yourself and learning about life. But this one has something particular in my heart, has a special place in my heart. Yeah. Anyways, guys, this is so good. Wow. Is it vegan? No. This is amazing. This is like some of the best cookies I've ever tried in my life. I swear. It's like everything is so smooth and well mixed together. Anyway, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that little vlog. I just wanted to share that experience with you. I know that this past couple of weeks I haven't posted as much as I wanted, but as I told you, it was a part of the whole process. I don't know how it's gonna go now. Hopefully I'm on the right path, but I learned how to accept the fact that maybe I'm not. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna change my mind, and getting comfortable with that is very hard, but I think it's a huge step in all of us in our personal journey. Accept the fact that we change and we evolve at each second. And I think at our time, it's more and more obvious because everything evolves so quickly, and we have to get used to new environment, new mindset and everything. But this is a part of our generation. This is a part of our life and of the world we live in. So I'm gonna embrace that and I'm gonna be grateful for everything that I have. I'm so grateful that I've been able to, stay in Airbnbs. It was a big investment, and I had savings from my past jobs and everything, but I really decided to invest money in my creativity and finding myself, understanding myself, and I have no regrets. I have no regrets. So I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog, and I'm gonna post, I have some videos that I'm working on, so I'm gonna post a couple of videos in the next couple of days. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it. I wish you a nice day. Bye bye.